Hello friends, welcome back to well-known, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on Vue.js. I started programs videos going on Task Manager from the Node.js. From the Node.js, I started programs of Task Manager. Then I shifted to React.js to started programs of Task Manager. Then I had done few videos on Task Manager using Node.js and React.js. Now I started Vue.js and now I started doing videos on Task Manager using Vue.js. This video is really interesting, creative and very informative, and it has covered everything which is required in Task Manager. So that is the speciality of Vue.js. In less code, I have done so many things of Vue.js in which other framework you require a lot of time. So let us go through the execution part first. A nice screen is displayed in front of you. So basic, now I will perform Java programming. Add the task. The task has been added. It is showing completed. Okay, now Node.js programming, it has been added. Active tasks are these. I had done one previous video on Task Manager. This video is advancement of the previous video of the Task Manager. Node.js programming, then Vue.js programming. I will add the task Java completed. So completed task, it is showing Java. Active task is in all the tasks, it is showing all the tasks. So total 3 tasks, 2 tasks or 1 task I have completed. Everything is showing, everything is clear. Now completed and this thing. Now I will clear the task. Java deleted. Now completed. No, it was deleted. Active and all and clear completed. If you want to clear, you can clear by this or this, and we can. So a basic Task Manager using Vue.js in really different style. I have done one previous video on Task Manager in really different style. This is Task Manager in really different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative video on Task Manager and employee management, stack, full stack using Vue.js with Node.js. So for latest update about Vue.js, Node.js, Python, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. I will show the small code which is, I will show you, which is there. So here is the code, a little bit of tricky code and so much things happen in Vue.js. So that is the speciality of the Vue.js, that it so thanks for watching.